So Kanva is supplanted by Andhra Satavahanas. So let us see about Satavahanas. So major source of Satavahana is Puranas. Puranas is one of the major source of Satavahanas. Literary source, we can say, we have already said HSNMSK. You can add an S to it. Last one is Satavahanas. So Harinka, Shishnaga, Nanda, Maurya, Sunga, Kanva. Kanva will be supplanted by Andhra ruler Satavahana. So let us discuss about Satavahana. Satavahana is also one of the most important one because Satavahanas ruled for 450 years. Around 450 years they ruled. They are from Andhra. And their most important source is Puranas. And inscription, relating inscription, we can see Nasik and Nanagat inscription. Nasik and Nanagat inscription. Through this we can know about Satavahanas, especially we can know about Gautami Putra Satarkarni. Gautami Putra Satarkarni is the most important ruler of Satavahanas. Satavahana is founded by Simuka. Okay, founder is Simuka. Then most important ruler is in Satavahana, so you will be learning more about the Gautami Putra Satakarni. Important rulers will be having 1 or 3. So first one is Sri Satakarni. In Satavahanas, they will be giving more importance to the mother. Mother will be given so much importance. In this Sri Satakarni, Sri is the mother name. So Sri Satarkani, he also performed Ashwamedha sacrifice. Earlier I said what is Ashwamedha sacrifice? It needs more money. If the king is more wealthy only, he can perform Ashwamedha sacrifice. Earlier a king done Ashwamedha sacrifice, which I have discussed. So Pushyamitra Sunga already done Ashwamedha sacrifice. Pushyamitra Sunga is the founder of Sunga dynasty who done Ashwamedha sacrifice. Now in Satavahana, Sri Satakarni performed Ashwamedha sacrifice. And then 17th Satavahana king is Hala. Why Hala is important is he wrote a book called as Gata Saptasati. Gata Saptasati or Satasai is a book which is written by Hala. He is the Satavahana ruler. It contains 700 verses in Prakrit language. Prakrit language, the major language. You should know these are the languages that are found in ancient India. So Prakrit language is a language of ancient India. So it has 700 verses in Prakrit language. Then the greatest, most important Satavahana ruler is Gautami Putra Satakarni. Gautami Putra Satakarni. Gautami Putra Satakarni. To know about Gautami Putra Satakarni, we can see Nasik and Nanagat cave inscription, which I have already said. Nasik cave inscription is by his mother. Nasik cave inscription is by Gautami Balashri. By Gautami Balashri. Actually, you should know what is Gautami Putra Satakarni. Gautami is mother name. Putra means son of Gautami. So it is Gautami Putra Satakarni. Nasik cave inscription says about Gautami Putra Satakarni, which is given by his mother Gautami Balashri. So Gautami Balashri is the mother of Gautami Putra Satakarni. Mothers are given so much respect in Satavahana period. Then after Gautami Putra Satakarni, we will be having Vashishta Putra Pulamayi. Vashishta Putra Pulamayi. He is the son of Gautami Putra Satakarni. He built a new city for his mother. That city is called as Navanagara. Navanagara is a new city that is built by Vashishta Putra Pulamayi for his mother. Then the last great ruler is Yijna Sri Satakarni. Last great ruler. I am not saying last ruler. The last great ruler is Yijna Sri Satakarni. Yijna Sri Satakarni, and the last ruler is Pulamayi IV. Pulamayi IV is the last ruler. So Satavahana's significance, they have remarkable progress in economy. They actually prospered in economy, and they are also organized merchant guilds. So important things about Satavahanas is economy, they progressed in economy. And the second important one is they organized merchant guilds. Merchant guilds are nothing but trade organization. They formed a trade organization and they also gave silver coins. They gave silver coins called as Karshapanas. Karshapanas. They can ask you a question called who gave Karshapanas. Karshapanas is given by Satavahanas. It is a silver coin. And they also used paddy transplantation. When paddy transplantation was introduced during the rise of Mahajanapatas, but paddy transplantation was used during Satavahana period also. And they also flourished in foreign trade. Earlier I have said about foreign trade that Mauryas are not interested in foreign trade. They don't believe in foreign trade. But Satavahanas believed in foreign trade and they had foreign trade. And the most important ports relating to foreign trade are Kalyani port, Gandaka Sela port. Gandaka, I don't think you believe this. Gandaka Sela port. And we have Ganjam port. So these are the ports that are found in Satavahanas. And what is the culture of Satavahanas? So they are matrilineal. I have already said mother is given so much important during Satavahana period. Though mother is given so much important, they are matrilineal social structure. But the head of the family is father. So culture, family head is father. Father is the head of the family, but they maintain matrilineal social structure. And relating architecture of Satavahanas, architecture. So architecture, we have Nagarjuna Kunda inscription. Nagarjuna Kunda inscription. So this says that Satavahanas is the first kings to do land grants to Brahmanas. So they are the first rulers to make land grants to Brahmanas, and also Buddhist monks thus promoted Buddhism. So they gave land grants to Brahmanas as well as Buddhist monks. They promoted Buddhism also. So it also says they gave lead coins. They gave silver coins, which I have already said, which is called as Karshapanas. They also gave lead coins. And the second architecture one is Karle caves. They have Karle caves in Western Deccan. So Andhra is in Deccan region only, right? So they have Karle caves in Western Deccan. Then they have Nasik and Nanagat cave inscriptions. And the official language of Satavahanas is Prakrit, which you can already say, because I have already said the 17th king Hala have written Gata Saptasati in Prakrit language only. He have given 700 verses in Prakrit language. So Satavahana's official language is Prakrit, but their script is Brahmani. Their script is Brahmani, their official language is Prakrit. And Satavahana's provinces are called as Aharas. So let me write here. Administration. Relating the administration of Satavahanas provinces are called as Aharas. So Aharas are the provinces. So now you can compare it with the districts. Now districts then they are called as Aharas or provinces. So Satavahanas provinces are Aharas. And the person who is in charge of this Aharas are called as Amatyas. Amatyas or Mahamatyas are the person who is responsible for this Aharas. So these are the things which are relating to Satavahana. So let's have a quick recap. So Satavahana ruled for around 450 years. The founder of Satavahana is Simukha. So sources of Satavahana is Puranas, and the inscription Nasik and Anagat inscription says about the Satavahanas. Satavahana's major language, official language is Prakrit, and their script is Brahmani. So important ruler is Sri Satakarni, Hala and Gautami Putra Satakarni. Sri Satakarni, Sri is the mother name. Sri Satakarni performed Ashwamedha sacrifice. This is the importance of Sri Satakarni. Then 17th king Hala king wrote a book which is called as Gata Saptasati or Satasai, which had 700 verses in Prakrit language, through which you can know Prakrit language is the official language of Satavahanas, and Gautami Putra Satakarni. Gautami is the mother name, Putra is mother. Satakarni, Gautami Putri Satakarni. We can know about Gautami Putra Satakarni from Nasik cave inscription. Nasik cave inscription is by Gautami Balashri. Gautami Balashri is the mother of Gautami Putra Satakarni. And next to Gautami Putra Satakarni, the successor of Gautami Putra Satakarni is Vashishta Putra Pulamayi. Vashishta Putra Pulamayi is the son of Gautami Putra Satakarni, and he have given a city. Navanagara is a new city that is found by Vashishta Putra Pulamoyi for his mother. So mother is given so much importance in the Satavahana period, and the last great ruler of Satavahanas is Ijna Sri Satakarni, and the last ruler is Pulamoyi. For the importance of the Satavahanas is they have progressed in economy. They also maintained merchant guilds. Merchant guilds is nothing but the trade organization. They issued silver coins, which is called as Karshapanas. They made paddy transplantation. They also had foreign trade. Mauryas didn't believe in foreign trade, but Satavahanas believed in foreign trade, and they had foreign trade, and they also had some important ports. Kalyani port is in the west, and Gandakasela port and Ganjam ports are the ports in the eastern side. And relating to administration, they had provinces. Their provinces are called as Satavahanas. Provinces are called as Aharas. Aharas are maintained by officials called as Amatyas or Mahamatyas. Then architecture, relating architecture, they have Nagarjuna Kunda inscriptions, which says they issued land grants to Brahmanas and the Buddhist monks. They also issued lead coins, and Karle caves in western Deccan and Nasik and Nanagat cave inscriptions. Everything says about the architecture of the Satavahanas and also says about their rule. Then I have already said official language is Prakrit and their script is Brahmani. So these are the things relating to Satavahanas. Let us see. The next one is Chedi or Chetas. Chedi or Chetas is a really small topic. Chedi or Chetas. Chedi or Chetas is from Orisha. So Satavahanas is from Andhra. Chedi or Cheta is from Orisha. Hatti Gumpa pillar inscription says about Chedi or Cheta. Hatti Gumpa pillar inscription says by Karavela of Kalinga. Karavela of Kalinga. So Karavela of Kalinga. It says that Karavela. It says that Karavela ruled for 13 years. And he is a strict follower of Jainism. So this is the thing. Simple. You don't need to know much about Chedis or Chetas. Chedis or Chetas is from Orisha. They had Hatti Gumpa pillar inscription which says about Chedi or Chetas. Ruler of Chedi or Cheta is Karavela of Kalinga. He is a ruler of Chedi Chetas. He ruled for around 13 years, which is said from Hatti Gumpa pillar inscription. He ruled for around 13 years, and he is a strict follower of Jainism. These are the things relating to Chedi and Chetas. So we have completed our Haryanka, Shishunaga, Nanda, Maurya, Sunga, Kanva, Satavahana, Chedi Cheta. So you can remember as HSN, MSK, then SC. After that, we will be having foreign invasions. After this, we will be having foreign invasions. In foreign invasions, we will be having 4 Bactrians, Sakas, Parthians, and then Kushanas. We will be discussing.